Hello everyone. Today in class 8 computer I will tell you how to download the BlueJ and install the BlueJ in your computer or laptop and write and run a program in the BlueJ how to write down. So first of all check your system from here, your configuration about your computer, go to the properties. Check your system is 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. Here it is given system type 32-bit operating system. So from the internet you can download the BlueJ for Windows, whatever your Windows is there, Windows 7, 10, anything, and 32-bit BlueJ 32-bit for Windows 7 or Windows 10. And if your system is of 64-bit type, download BlueJ 64-bit for Windows 7 or Windows 10. Now after downloading it is around 200 MB file, like it is 191 is showing here. If you download for 64-bit, so it will 212 or something like that. Then you will run here, double click over there, run. Then just click on the next. If you want to add file etc, create the desktop shortcut etc, click over there, then click on the next, install. So it will install your BlueJ. Now after finishing all the thing, it will show you this window. So click on the finish and your BlueJ is installed. Now if you have click on create desktop icon, then it will show you the desktop icon. Double click over this, your BlueJ will be start. Remember that first check your computer operating system, it is 32-bit or 64-bit. If it is 32-bit, download BlueJ 32-bit, or if it is 64-bit, download BlueJ for 64-bit. Now when this window will be start, you will click on the new project, then write down your name or anything, like I have give the name whatever class. I will give the name Java or first Java program. You will write down your name. So I have created one new project. Now here after creating the new project, click on the new class. So write down your name of the class, whatever class you want to create. Like this is our first Java program, so I will give the name like first, FIRST first. Then here remember that click on the class, not abstract class, interface, unit test, etc. Then after writing for you choose the language Java, then click on OK. This will be displayed. Now double click over there and this window will be open. Make it bigger. This is the full screen. Now select Ctrl A. So all the part is selected. Now delete it. So this is deleted. Now here I will write down first Java program. So after that you will write down this code, import, then space java.io **, then semicolon. Public class, here you given the class name first, so you will give the first. Then public static void main. This is like your C++ program. There you are writing void main, so here you will write down public static. And this is like hash include you are writing in C++. So at that place of hash include, you have to write down import, then java.io **. What is the meaning of this thing? I will tell you later on in the programming theory part. Now after this we write down system.out.println. This works same as like in C++ you are writing cout. Whatever you are writing after cout, that will be display on the output screen. Same thing here, whatever you are writing here inside the system.out.println, this will be display on the output screen. Then here we have started two curly bracket, one here, so close, two curly brackets. Now here you can see that in the BlueJ different colors are showing. This green color, this is for class, and this yellow color, it is for the function, that is main is our function that you have learned in C++. I will tell you detail in the theory part. Now remember here, Java is case sensitive language. It means that whatever is in capital letter, that you have to write down compulsory in capital letter. If you write down in small letter, it will give the error. Here like example, system S. In system S, that is capital, so that thing you have to write down in capital letter. Rest of all the thing is in small letter, so that you write down in the small letter. So this is your first Java program. Here I will tell you meaning like import have the same meaning like hash include. Then we in C++ we directly starting void main. Here first of all we have to create the class. That's why Java is known as a pure object oriented programming language, because without class we cannot write down any program. So here in Java, first of all, we have to create the class, that public class, and give the class name. Then we have to write down inside that public static void main, that is a function, and then system.out.println, that works similar like cout in C++. Whatever you write down inside that, that is going to be displayed on the output screen. Now I will tell you how to check the errors and how to run this program. So here at the top you can click on compile. Now look at here, the message is coming, class compiled, no syntax error. Means your program is syntactically correct, there is no error. Now I will tell you how to run this program. So first of all you will compile, and if this message is coming, class compiled, no syntax error, then only you can run the program. Like here, if I write down here as small, so look at that, if I compile it, the message will become error. Errors found in class, press Ctrl key or click over there to find out the error. Then you can correct the errors, like here if you click over there, package system does not exist. So remember that if there is any error, you can correct the error also. So here I write down system as capital. So I have corrected the error. Remember that after correcting the error, again run the program. So compile. Now class compiled, no syntax error. Now I will tell you how to run this program. So when you get this message, class compiled, no syntax error, close this. Click over there, close this, or you can close from here also. Now this is your window where you return first class or created the first class. Now right click over there and void main. Click on the void main. You will get the message, hi, I am learning Java. That same message. Here it is coming 2 times because I have run it 2 times. And if you want to delete this, clear it, again run it, close this, and again if you want to run it, again run void, select the option void main, and you will get the message, hi, I am learning the Java. So this is the output of your program. So this way you will write down the Java program. Now in next video I will tell you some variable, constant and keywords, this thing in the Java. Then we will start writing the Java program. So install the BlueJ if you have the computer or laptop or in your mobile, and try to write down the program. Thank you.